let the dogs stay under the heat of the sun. They will die. Ikaw ha, criminal ka ha?
Ha?
Criminal ka. Why do you like them to die?
The dog?
Oh, are you killing them?
No.
You let them stay under the heat of the sun. It's so hot. Mamatay ang aso sa'yo.
Great.
Where's the remote?
Good.
Remote be.
Anyway, sa madaling sabi, diba, nakikita naman ninyo na kahit hindi naman kaaway si Pierre.
Good.
Maraming salamat sa mga viewers natin na nag-comment. Sobrang thank you. I love you all, guys. Ngayon, panoodin natin yung video. Panood natin yung video, mga minamahal, ha?
Good. Great. Amazing.